The banking system is still strong, but the Reserve Bank is concerned about the increase of new ponzi schemes. It's released its annual bank supervision report for 2014. The report gauges the health and soundness of the banking sector.
South Africa's banking system is robust thanks to loans and advances. Gross loans increased by 9% last year from 7.7% in 2013. The Reserve Bank's Supervision Department says it's comfortable with the steady pace of loans being granted by banks. On African Bank, it says it's satisfied with its progress, but it's considered its supervisory practices and procedures with a view to future changes and enhancements. It says it has received findings from the Myburgh Commission and has not made yet a decision about releasing them. Credit risk remains a focus area. Impairments declined 2%, but SMEs with credit cards and vehicle and asset finance all recorded an increase in defaults.
Consumers are stretched in many ways, not through financial burden, but increase in petrol prices, increase in electricity and all of that. So one has to watch that, and we're satisfied that the banks, in terms of their radar screens, have got that and are fully alive to what's happening in that space.
There's a big concern regarding an increase in illegal deposit taking or Ponzi schemes. Last year, 18 new schemes were investigated compared to 7 in 2013. The public has been warned to be vigilant.
Unfortunately, it is impossible for us as the Bank Supervision Department to be proactive. In other words, let's go and look out there what's happening. Our experience is you close down one, then another one pops up elsewhere. So it is a concern, and it affects the public. And it's not just uninformed people, it's also informed people.
The bank hinted that there's a high likelihood that interest rates will be increased at its next few meetings. This comes as no surprise, as the MPC last week signaled that rising oil prices, above inflation wage settlements and a weaker rand exchange rate could stoke inflation and hike rates. Diabo Seto, SABC News, Johannesburg.